And just because you see a black man driving in a nice car does not mean it's stolen. I stole that, but not because I'm black.
So you see now the final C, which is this scene here. So that was transformed into Comfyui here automatically, and the result is here. You can see now that it completed all tasks. All tasks were completed, all these tasks were completed, and the first one took 4 minutes and the remaining took 1 minute and 30 about, and it saves it into the output as we suggested to save it into the output, and it informed us that each save will be, the audio will be the one with the file with audio MP4 is the one with the file. And this has been done automatically. You just set it up, place the video, give the hand. Of course, very important, get the API off the workflow. If you have a fully working workflow, you come here, right click here and give the API to Claude. Export the API, paste it into Claude, and you have the full workflow on what to do. And you would not have to bring anything in here. All you just need to set is to set the model style here. I choose to go for make it pixel style, and then from that, that's it. We transform, and we are going to transform certain nice movie, free nice movie like this. Voila. We're going through our next experiment, which is transform this video using Claude to transform this. Shut up. Okay, so what we do, we just cut this into 20 pieces of 3 seconds, which is what I'm going to collect right now, up to, where are we, MP4 with the title from here to here. So I'll cut this off and then go straight onto Comfyui, bring that into Comfyui, input, and you can get rid of all these, and I'll create a new folder, place on iconic, and I place this in here, and I inform Claude then that starting from video MP4 0, okay, so we will ask Claude to do up to 5, which will be about 15 seconds of this video. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will be about 15 seconds of this video. Okay, so we get that, copy, and move on to inform Claude. We have a Claude installed on anti-gravity. We have already checked that Claude is connected. It told us that he has been connected. Now it told us that this is connected with, it said the job I need you to do does not need this job does not need API. Now go to the input folder, starting from video 0, load this in Comfyui, and once the video finishes, ensure that the output goes to the output folder, and the output folder is this. We used to use a NAN to do this. We just check whether this is possible here, but it used to be free. Now we see whether it can be done. So we will load this into the, let's go cutter, this is input, so we one step out and output. This is output, and from here I don't want to get rid of these yet, especially that some images might be used later. So that is loaded in the output, and here is the output. Copy, paste, then do the next video, which will be 1. Do this up to 4. Okay, let's see the other settings, such as the style has been set. So looking at Comfyui now, let's just go and look at Comfyui, what we have here. This is a test that we've done. You can see Now, we're not going to do pixel art, so we're going to do something more. So let's choose a different style. Into real domain, no. Japanese anime style shading, no. Pencil, pixel art, no. Crayon, Renaissance, drawing by children book, comic book style. Real domain, scene of fire, stick, Japanese style, 3D pixel style. Make it pixel style. Pixel art video. Make it Pixar style. Okay, now I don't think we have anything to do with to change. Again, we just change that style, and it's 3 seconds, which will be 24 frame, and the frame load at 73 from 0 to 73 for this. Everything looks okay. We just ask Claude to see whether it will jump on, load the video, whether it will load the first video here to change this. So let's go. Let's see, move it on the side and see whether he will load, and I will let you know what's going on. Put this here maybe to see what he says. Comfyui, yes. Give him access to the project too, yes. And don't ask, just proceed. It's supposed to load the very first scene here. Let's wait for it live. What does it say? See the folder 0 . You want me to run 0. Key clarification before I start. You say no API, but I swap the input file name, trigger the run each video without you clicking time. I do need a post a workflow to prompt. That's the only way Comfyui job accept job from side browser. 2 ways forward. Option: I fully automate. You queue video 0 once in your browser. I'll grab that exact workflow in history, blah blah blah. 4 option. A is what you probably want. Confirm and queue 0 when ready. Confirm and queue video 0 when ready, or if you have workflow saved in JSON somewhere and you won't even need you Q0. If you have the JSON saved somewhere, I don't have a JSON. I can generate a JSON. I can actually generate a JSON. So let's generate a JSON of this, the JSON file workflow. Save as, export API, G2, workflow, confirm. Voila. So I guess this is what it's all about. So we got it. So I've exported the API. I just suggest it here. I loaded the JSON API. The JSON API is actually the whole workflow of this, but in here at the moment this video is loaded in that JSON, so he meant to replace this himself by is going out into the output, allow reading from output. Okay, you will read in the input and the output. Yes. Do you want to create a queue in Tito batch PR? Yes. So that API it's planning now. You can see it's planning what's going to do. It's planning what it's going to do, and through again, monitor video 0, Claude train 2. All we need to see. I'm not sure whether it will even load a video here. It doesn't have to load a video here. It can just go through the work straight away and start processing. So it's queuing the second one. You can see the queue, first queue, the second queue. I'm going to go to. So what is happening in Claude, if I might just reduce this and bring, so you can see what's happening now is that it's reading the style now. It's reading the style, and it doesn't have to load the video here in some sense, since it can just load the video straight into the API that I added. So once you have your workflow, you can just give it to Claude. Now we used to do that into NAN. The workflow used to be on N8N. I might not run it at the moment since the RAM might just crash on me right now. The very first video was long, so I think for this one we should be good at going in the last stage of loading. You can see how fast it's going. By the way, this is a 24 gigabyte graphics card. So for this workflow, we are automating. We don't have to do much. We just cut the video down and then pass it onto it, and it will turn it into cartoon-like for us. And this could be you can pursue a niche onto this. Why not? So I have this. We can push it further. You can see that what he does here is it goes through each of these. It had one running and one in the queue up there, and it's proceeding. So we should reduce it like this, so we can have everything displayed for us, so we can monitor everything. as we said, we don't need all these. All we need is to just push this on the side like that, and then bring anti-gravity here. Okay, we can monitor the work now. So it's doing it automatically, no need to touch. And I'll suggest you subscribe, because I have a quite powerful PC where we can do some extreme tests, some tests like this, and some scenario that you will not have thought it will be possible. As you can see, now it's going through the last stage and it's finishing it. And you see, change this video should change now to our real one. Q1 is finished, and it posts it on the, it says Q video 0 is now finished now. Okay, as we said, it doesn't have to display it here. This is not the point. The point for Claude is not to display what it does here. It will just go and put a video in this location, Comfyui outputs. So we can go completed, as you can see, all completed. And if we go into the folder, we go into the dedicated folder, which is this one. You see all the videos are in there, and we can filter for what we need, which are the digital audio.mp4.
You.
Just answer the damn questions. Who are you?
I have told you.
Are you deaf?
No, you is blind.
I'm not blind, you blind.
That is what I just said.
You just said
I did not say what. I said you.
that's what I'm asking you.
You is answering.
Shut up! You!
Yes?
Not you, him! What's your name?
Me.
Yes, you!
I am me. He's me. And I'm you.
I'm about to whoop your old ass, man, because I'm sick of playing games. You, me?
Have a man that looks like a woman, while here is a woman that looks like a man. And this is Mr. Black.
But you're white?
I come from an alternative dimension where black means white and white means black.
Wait, so you're calling white people?
In a pulse of neon flow, roads suspended, glowing in the afterglow. Digital whispers, binary skies, GABBDC, IBAG, quantum city dreaming as vehicles fly, cyber streams weaving through the night. Data waves, riding neon light, holographic visions clear, time rewritten, futures near. Data waves, riding neon light, time rewritten, futures near.